Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and today's video is going to be the last video that I put out in 2022. Heck yeah! So in the spirit of the new year, I've never been someone that likes to make New Year's resolutions, because I think that as awesome humans, we're already whole and complete, and there's nothing special about the fact that, you know, another day passes and, you know, suddenly we're gonna like make all these changes and like be really healthy and lose all this weight and make more money and like all this stuff. I do not think that that is realistic. However, I do love setting goals for the new year. Last year I set 5 goals and I hit 3 of them. Which is actually pretty awesome. That's more than 50%. That's better than chance. But for 2023, I have one major goal that would make me happier than anything else, and I decided I wanted to share that with you all today. Because as a mentor of mine used to say, you know, a dream is just that until you write it down or speak it to life, and especially to those around you that can help hold you accountable. So, all right, y'all, I need you to hold me accountable. For 2023, the goal that I really want to reach is I want to make it to Supras in Vegas with my Mark III Supra, the light blue one that I've been working on since like 2012. That I just, or 2013, I guess is when I bought it, but pretty much been working on it since then. And I mean, I can count on both of my fingers the amount of months that I've enjoyed driving that car since owning it for so many years. So you know what, 2023 is gonna be the year of the Mark III, and I wanna make it to Supras in Vegas in that car. So that is my goal. So to make a video out of that, I kinda wanna share my experience with y'all at Supras in Vegas 2022. And I know what y'all are thinking, because I put up a video for a short amount of time that sort of made me a little bit too depressed. And I don't know, the video that I shared, you know, I wanted to tell my side of the story because the internet sort of went crazy with a pretty bad thing that happened to us at Supras in Vegas. But that does not mean that I had a bad experience at Supras in Vegas. It's my favorite event of the year. It's the most important event of the year to me, and I really have always wanted to go in my Mark III. So here are some highlights and some positive things from Supras in Vegas 2022.
How was it?
We were going slow as shit. It was so fun. Oh my god. Oh. I should have put myself in the intermediate group. I overestimated the competition. It was so good. For Supras in Vegas 2023, not only am I planning on going in my 1989 7 Empowered Supra, but I'm also going to be leading a cruise. So that is another thing. At the very least, I will be leading a cruise. So all of you in Texas, we're going to be starting in San Antonio, heading up to Austin, picking up our Temple peeps, picking up our Waco peeps and Dallas peeps, and then catching up with an East Coast cruise and headed on Route 66 out to Supras in Vegas. So hopefully this is not just a goal of mine, but hopefully I inspire a lot of you to make your 2023 goal as well, to make it to Supras in Vegas 2023. You don't have to have a Supra, you can have a 2J or 7M or like Supra power planted thing. So I've seen, like one year there was a Tacoma with a 2J swap. There's a whole bunch of Lexus. There was an RX-7 with a 2J swap a couple of years ago or a few years ago. So yeah, or if you just want to be a spectator, you can come out and check out the Supras as well. But anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this short little video, and I hope you all had a really, really great 2022. And if you have a goal that you would like to spell out into existence, I think, like words have meaning, and I think that there's the term spell, I think there's something to that. We make spells happen when we take something out of just our brain space, bring it from the mental space into the physical space, writing it down or speaking it to life. So if you feel like writing out any goals you have for 2023 in the comments, I would so love to hear that. If you're a Supra owner and you plan on to make it to Supras in Vegas 2023, obviously you want to hear that. And if you are in Texas and you want to join me on the cruise and meet up with us in San Antonio and cruise out Route 66, that would be the sickest thing ever. And the rest of y'all, I expect you to hold me accountable. When you see me working on something else, when you see me getting distracted, remind me, no, Faye. You are gonna finish your 1989 Toyota Supra and you're gonna make it to Vegas. And that would honestly make me happier than nothing else in my life. So that's a huge, huge goal of mine. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye.
But I don't think I can do that yet. I give it time, I think things over, but this shouldn't hurt a spot in my head. All I do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late.